Hey guys, and welcome back to Natural Beauty. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and today we're going to be breaking down the LOC method. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and put on your post notifications so you know when I upload new videos. So let's get into it. So a lot of you guys know the L.O.C method as the liquid, oil, and cream method. And this method is a guide that you use to keep your hair moisturized with the proper product. Now, let's start with the L for liquid. A lot of people may leave leave-in conditioners for this step, but for me, I like to use water because what replaces moisture better than water? Your hair really craves moisture, and for me, nothing beats moisture than water. Now, let's talk about the O for oil. You want to use oils next because oils hold on to the water molecules that are attached to your hair strand. But you only want to use oils that penetrate the hair. And those oils are oils like coconut oil, avocado oil, and olive oil. Because I have low porosity hair, my favorite go-to oil is coconut oil. And what I've done with my coconut oil, I've turned it into an aloe vera coconut oil. So I'll leave a card up at the top right here, and that card will show you guys how I make my aloe vera oil for my hair. But if you don't have aloe vera oil, plain coconut oil will work as well. Last but not least, let's talk about cream. The cream is used to lock moisture in your hair. You can use any cream that you like as long as it is a moisturizing cream. And a lot of people use a leave-in conditioner for this as well. To be honest, it doesn't have to be a cream at all. It can actually be an oil. Now, I know you guys are looking at me like I'm crazy, but trust me, there are oils that are actually sealant oils. Now, we talked about the penetrating oils earlier. Oils like coconut oil, avocado oil, and olive oil. Those oils are penetrating oils, which means those oils actually penetrate your hair shaft. But there are also oils that are sealant oils. Some examples of sealant oils are jojoba, grapeseed oil, and castor oil. These oils act like emollient that fills the gaps along hair cuticles to seal in and prevent moisture loss. If you live in cold weathers, your hair may do better with butters. So you may want to use a mango butter or a shea butter for your cream to seal in your moisture. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and got a better understanding of the LOC method. If you would like to see how I do my LOC method, leave me a comment down in the comment section and I'll make a video for you guys. As always, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.